The agreement report will show a list of all or any individual or group of agreements where you can filter by multiple different criteria in a specific date range. So for example, if you wanted to use all agreement types, you would simply leave the field at the top empty, which is going to use all agreement types. If you wanted to search for only 1 month term memberships, simply select it. If you want to search for a group of memberships that are together, simply select the first one, hold the Shift key, and select the next, which will group all of those together. And if you want to search by just specific ones, select one, hold the Control key, and then you can select any other agreement types that you want to include in the search. To reset to searching by all, click the blank space at the top. You can then refine by payment type, whether the agreements are only paid in full, monthly, weekly, bi-weekly, quarterly, annually, single payment, or in-house agreements. Then you can set the date range that you're looking for, and then the criteria that you want to search for, including the ability to search by agreement creation date excluding canceled, agreement start date, agreement payment start date, agreement cancel date, agreement canceled or end date, agreement cancel or end date excluding with other active agreements. So this, for example, would show you clients that may have 2 agreements and have canceled one, but then it would exclude them if they have another active agreement as well. Agreement end date excluding canceled, end date excluding auto renews, and end date excluding canceled or auto renews. In this case, we want to search for agreements created in this specific date range. You can then also refine by master, facility, or sold by. Clicking Show Results will display the results down below. So here we can see in that date range for all agreements with an agreement creation date, we can see the client, the customer number, who sold the agreement, the name of the agreement, start date, end date, whether it's an auto-renewing agreement, whether it's been canceled or has a canceled date in the future, the payment start date for the agreement, any freezes applied, who's responsible for the payment type, the overall dues, and you can click the Edit button on the far right to be able to view the details of the agreement. At the bottom, you'll see a summary. So in this case, there are 6 monthly payments and 1 bi-weekly payment. You can export the report as a CSV file using the Excel icon on the far right.